Positioned at the heart of North America's transportation and entertainment ecosystems, Prefix Corporation stands as a pivotal partner to the world's most innovative companies. We provide cutting-edge solutions that help transform bold ideas and designs into reality. As the mobility landscape rapidly evolves with the rise of electric and autonomous vehicles, Prefix has been at the forefront, leveraging deep expertise to integrate these next-generation technologies. At Prefix, the concept vehicles and prototypes we create are more than just designs. They are the building blocks for the future of mobility. Our work helps automotive and aviation manufacturers test new technologies, gauge public interest, and arm engineers with the vital data needed to refine designs for mass production. Headquartered in Michigan, Prefix has been a leader in developing advanced concept vehicles and prototypes for over 45 years, delivering some of the most sophisticated and innovative designs in the industry. But our reach goes far beyond transportation. The same high-level capabilities that fuel our groundbreaking vehicle solutions extend to diverse sectors, including themed attractions and entertainment. From collaborating with the world's largest theme parks to creating props for major film studios, Prefix plays a key role in shaping unforgettable experiences. We're also involved in building promotional displays, developing performance engines for motorsports, and contributing to projects in the defense industry and consumer products. In addition to our design and prototyping expertise, Prefix offers low-volume manufacturing and sub-assembly services. Our world-class paint and finishing facility utilizes both manual application as well as an automated robotic line to apply high-quality finishes to some of the most visually striking vehicles on the market. With a newly expanded 25-acre global headquarters and a dedicated team of over 200 professionals, Prefix continues to grow, invest in the latest technologies, and maintain its leadership position as a trusted partner in a rapidly changing world. If you're looking to advance your organization's position in the market, the team at Prefix is exactly the resource you need. Let's build the future together.